This is a Peugeot 308 with manual AC, so the air direction knob is completely commanded by the wire. The problem which I had and I managed to solve is quite daunting. So what it happened, I couldn't set up my air to blow directly to me. So from these, the front side wasn't working. I could set it up on top and the bottom, and you can imagine how problematic that is when the temperature is really high outside. So it is not the motor problem, because this is not electric, it is completely mechanical. And this is what I did. This is a Peugeot 308. It is similar on a lot of Peugeots and other manufacturers. If you don't have an automatic climate, it is probably similar, so you need to do this. You already see that I removed this part here. You can find on YouTube how to disassemble everything, but the best way is to also remove this top part, and after that you will have a relatively accessible bottom part. Every car is case for itself, so you should follow up dedicated video for this problem. In my case, I removed everything and I needed to open this control unit, because there is a gear inside which is connected with this adjuster here, and we have a wire here. So now it is set to blow to the front, and you can see that this gear is going completely to the end. You see that small part there is touching the plastic limiter. You see, so that's it. At this point it is set to blow to the front, but when we move the gear, it is at the end position, at least nearly. It never goes to the top part, but you can see that the wire is pulled at the maximal height. I already tested everything at this position. I have windshield cooling and heating, and when I readjust to the end, I have blowers blowing directly to me from these. So to explain you what you need to do, you need to open this, and there is the gear probably slipped, this black gear inside. And in your case, when you turn this blower, when you turn this completely to this position, this plastic part is probably halfway, like something like this. And that is problem, because the flaps inside are not at correct position, and you have problem. You cannot close them because the gear slipped, and it is turned at maximal position, but it's just not enough. It needs to be like this. I need to warn you that I needed like 3 hours to assemble this unit. When I disassemble it, you literally need to remove everything inside of it to reach this gear here, because it is at the bottom part of this unit. So all electronic parts, all the gears from the front side, you're warned, it is not an easy job. I turned on the car to show you that everything works. Blowers are blowing. AC is working. And this wasn't working, so I have cold air coming from here, and when I turn completely here, we have cold air now going here, or warm, depending what you want. What I noticed that this isn't showing that it is going completely on top, which is not a problem because everything is blowing where it should. It is not perfect, but it never was. But at some point it stopped working completely. I think that is common at all Peugeot cars with manual controls. I hope you find this helpful. I didn't find any video covering this. I literally spent like 4 hours disassembling and assembling, but I managed to fix it, and you can do it. Bye.